Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through what I eat in a day, being 2.5 years post-op VSG surgery. I always keep water by my bed, so every morning I'm able to grab a drink first thing to help me wake up. Then, like clockwork, every single morning I use the restroom and I grab my handy dandy scale and I check out what my weight is. It's just something I like to do just to keep a check on my weight. Then I head to my coffee pot and I make myself my first cup of coffee. Y'all keep watching. I'm going to share this recipe for these keto cinnamon sugar pecans. And now we're on to breakfast. This particular morning I made myself some avocado toast. This has become a staple for me. So I'm just putting my bread in the toaster and cracking an egg in the skillet to give it a little scramble. Once my eggs are done, I take some mayonnaise and put just a little bit on my piece of toast, spread it around, and then I had this humongous avocado. I sliced it up finely into little small dices, and then I'm going to put it on the toast, smash it all around, and then I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to it because no one likes to eat some bland avocados. And I add the eggs on top of the avocado. Don't that look delicious? And then of course, if you know Trader Joe's, everything but the bagel seasoning, it is so good. It is everything. And there it is. There is my breakfast. It was delicious. And I want to say that I ate most of it. And now I'm going to make my mid-morning iced coffee. I usually will either do one of these in the morning time or in the afternoon. I just love them, and they are so good using my Nespresso coffee maker that I do not even miss going to Starbucks anymore. It's that good, y'all. Now on to lunch. Today I made a, a ham roll-up basically. I like to use those carb balance tortillas and this jalapeno cream cheese spread. I just spread a little bit on it with some Black Forest ham that I like to lay out in the center. The more ham you put, the more protein. And the banana pepper rings, they are so good. Add a little bit of spice, not much, just enough. And then of course, everything but the bagel seasoning. You gotta have it on there. If you don't know, get to a Trader Joe's and get some. And then today I just decided to cut up a little English cucumber. And that was my lunch. I ate all of the wrap and most of the cucumbers. And then I was full. Alright, now on to these keto cinnamon pecans. These things are so good. Like I said, I don't really do keto, but some of the things I do like. I love the cinnamon pecans. Anytime we're any place that sells them in those little cones, I have to get some. So finding this recipe was amazing. So as you've seen, I took 1 cup of pecans, and then you need 1 egg white separated from the yolk. Pour it in over the pecans and give them a good coating, because that's what's going to help your cinnamon and sugar mixture stick. And to make it keto, you're not using sugar. So pick your favorite sugar substitute. Mine is xylitol. It tastes just like sugar. It has no aftertaste. It is amazing. You take 2 tablespoons, I believe is what it was, of the sugar substitute, and then some ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of that, heaping teaspoon because I love cinnamon. And then give that a good little mix. And then you're just going to pour it over the pecans. Toss all that all together until it's good and coated all over the pecans. And get your greased cookie sheet. Pour all of the pecans in there. And then you're going to bake it at 300 degrees for 15 minutes. And I'm telling y'all, my husband does not like these, and he just about ate the whole bowl by himself. Okay, and lastly, dinner. I'm making these crunchy taco cups using wonton wrappers. It is definitely a good low-carb option to use. The recipe calls for 1 pound of ground beef, but I am making 2 pounds here because 1 pound is going to be for the kids for just regular taco salad, and then the other pound is for the taco cups. So I'm just browning the meat and shredding some of this Colby Jack cheese for it. Old school style. I remember doing that whenever I was a kid. Oh, and here I'm showing y'all I had a string cheese for a little snack because I was feeling a little hungry. And now I'm just adding my taco seasoning and 1 can of drained Rotel, but my advice is don't drain it. As you can see, I added a little bit of water because I needed a little bit of juice to let it simmer. So once all that's done, you take your greased muffin pan and you get these wonton wrappers. You're going to need 24, and you just line the muffin tin with the wonton wrappers. And then you're going to layer in the meat and then some cheese. And then you're going to lay another wonton wrapper, so it's a little double layer, little taco cup. And then you're going to layer in meat and top with cheese again. And then you're going to continue to do this the rest of the pan. Then you're gonna bake them at 375 until they're brown, and here's the finished product, y'all. They was really good. I took 2 for myself. I added a little bit of sour cream and of course some Louisiana hot sauce. I gotta have my hot sauce. And they was good. And I'm just showing you here that I'm 2.5 years out from surgery, and I ate 1.5 of the other, and that was all I could fit. So that is it, y'all. That is what I ate in this day, 2.5 years out. I hope y'all enjoyed watching. Look at the description box for the recipes. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.